Ibawanpli pagkasingan kita makeup na hay Melba makeup artist pilaban niya kanay kadukan jong and yes so jong niya lay room na manta ini kita makeup no ang ini lay briew no kanay kadukan jong guys pilaban niya so khublei tak ni dan kamera okay guys see makeup na Melba sa kumi and this is the first time I want to pa makeup hai I hope akan best ha and ki student jo Melba and Melba ila abu dukan hang ni Madanrting block A opposite jo ka pink center guys ngobha pinyawan ada pidon kaman pinyata makeup shpangka wedding birthday parties anywhere. So guys, finally we're done and look at this. Wow, it's incredible. I mean like totally guys pilaban niya usual and you know kapigam so guys yeah so lada pidon kama punya hata makeup halit style you know be attractive kami taste ya so mama punya one hani Melba makeup artist the artist Lakat tu kat post nem baik tak peta makeup briew. Pun haba peta so ya. Sawan kenang guys. Guys, ngaku aku beli ye Melba. Baik peta dokan ni. Yeah, di Syafan guru. So see you guys soon and yeah, from now on ngan pawan peta makeup Ida dan syuting dan iyo mah. Music video and siaran lada video kam sawan. I don't know why. I don't know. Literally, I don't know what's so funny. I mean, na do mana mapentarem guys. Isu ya bler bet. Ngam tip shisha na kadang ko.
Miss Queen Fee.
Ta? Oh my god, petak fi to obviously Ngam tip shisha na kadang ko.
Miss Queen Fee.
Ta? Oh my god, petak fi to obviously